Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Glendale. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse live in Glendale and are in agreement on the terms of your divorce, you're in a great position to complete the process quickly, affordably, and without court appearances. Let me walk you through a step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Glendale. First, Glendale divorces are handled through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, which means everything can be filed electronically. That makes the entire process faster and completely remote. No courthouse visits necessary. Here's how the process works. First, we prepare and e-file your petition and summons with the court. Second, your spouse signs a notice of acknowledgement and receipt to confirm service and avoid needing a process server. Third, both of you complete and exchange your financial disclosures, which include your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Fourth, we draft your marital settlement agreement outlining how everything will be divided. And fifth, we prepare and submit your final judgment package to the court for review and approval. We recently helped a Glendale couple follow these exact steps. Their case was filed, disclosures exchanged, agreement signed, and judgment submitted in just 2 weeks, and they never had to step foot in court. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, flat-fee divorces throughout California, including Glendale. We handle every step for you, from filing to final judgment, so nothing falls through the cracks. If you want your amicable divorce done quickly, correctly, and without court appearances, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of everything so you can move forward with peace of mind.